In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Webflow. Step-by-step tutorial 2026. Let's get started right inside your Webflow dashboard. First, choose the project you want to connect to your custom domain. Click into the project, then head straight to its settings. You can open settings from the project card or by using the gear icon. Either way takes you to the same place. If you land on a general overview page, that's perfect. Just make sure you're in the site's settings area before moving on. Once you're in settings, look for the publishing section. It's typically listed in the left-hand navigation. Go ahead and open publishing. This is where all the domain connection options live. If your site already has a paid site plan, you'll see the option to connect a custom domain right here. If you don't see that option, it likely means your project needs an appropriate plan. Webflow will guide you to upgrade if necessary, and you can return to this page immediately afterward. Inside publishing, you'll find the area to add your domain, such as yourdomain.com. Enter your root domain, and Webflow will generate clear hosting instructions. These usually include DNS records, commonly A records for the root domain and a CNAME for the www version. You'll copy these values from Webflow and paste them into the DNS settings at your domain registrar. The exact screens vary by provider, but the process is the same. Match the record type, copy the name or host, and then paste the value Webflow provides. And this is truly a copy and paste task. And Webflow's instructions are tailored so you know exactly what to add. If you need more detail at any point, use the built-in Learn How to Set Up Custom Domain Hosting link on this page. It opens Webflow's documentation with screenshots and registrar-specific tips, which is really helpful if you're new to DNS. Take your time here. Accuracy matters, and double-checking entries can save you troubleshooting later. After you've saved the records at your registrar, return to Webflow's Publishing tab and look for a verification or status indicator. DNS changes can take a bit to propagate, often anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. That's normal. While you wait, you can keep working on your site or publish to your Webflow provided subdomain as usual. Once the records update, your custom domain will point to your Webflow site, and you'll be ready to share your polished URL with the world. That's it. You've connected your domain to Webflow. Congratulations.